All right, so another thing that I do when I am making sure that my essay is ready to be turned in is during the editing process, I always look to see if I have commas when I use conjunctions. So don't forget, conjunctions are those short words that tie two ideas together. For example, our acronym FANBOYS reminds us of those conjunctions that require a comma. So FANBOYS, it's for and nor, but, or, yet, so. All right, so just like I did with my lowercase i's, I'm going to hit Control F. Okay, and let's say I want to look for for first. All right, so based on my conjunction for, this one isn't used as a conjunction, so I can scroll down. All right, for example, this for is actually used in a transitional phrase, for example. And so the author has already used a comma here, which is perfect. So I'm going to move on to my next one. All right, so a homework club for this child, again, not used as a conjunction. Okay, and as you can see, sometimes it also highlights for or other words inside longer words. Just ignore those. All right, also kids do not have to go to this homework club just for homework. Again, for in this sentence is not a conjunction. Have missing work or for whatever reason. Okay, again, for is not used as a conjunction here. For them, I argue with for my school. All right, so it looks like this author might need to do a little bit of revision. So these are the reasons I argue with for my school. Again, that may not make the most sense, so keep that in mind as you guys are editing your own papers. If you find something that needs to be revised, go ahead and do that now. All right, so our word for, we're pretty good on that. So FANBOYS, the acronym, stands for all the different conjunctions. The next one is and. All right, so again, I'm just going to go through and check to make sure I'm not missing any commas. All right, so this is because some children don't work well with large class and would work better. All right, so and in this sentence is a conjunction, all right? It's tying two ideas together about how some kids don't work well in a large class and these kids would work better one-on-one classes. So because and is tying two ideas together, my comma goes before my conjunction. So I'm actually going to put it here. Notice, guys, also that I have class, comma, and then the space. All right, so moving on, making sure I don't miss any. This is because we get a lot of homework and many people don't understand how to do it. All right, again, this and is used as a conjunction. The two ideas are that we get a lot of homework and many people don't understand how to do it. So don't forget a comma before your conjunction. Okay. Then I will continue to look. For example, one child cannot go home until 4:30 because that is when his father gets home and his father does not trust him home alone. All right, so again, this and is tying two ideas together. The fact that he doesn't get home until 4:30 and he's not trusted alone. So go ahead and add a comma because this and is a conjunction. All right, so if you guys look here, you can see that the author already has their comma conjunction here. Perfect. All right, so we can move on. Homework in this club, he will be more likely to go and get help. All right. This will improve the reactions of the club greatly, and more children will be helped. So this and is a conjunction because we're talking about how more kids will get help and that the reactions to the club will improve. All right, so again, this takes a while, but it's definitely worth it, especially if you have the feature to go and search for things. So moving forward, make sure you go and check all the following words when it comes to conjunctions. All right, the acronym is FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So make sure you do Control F in your document, look for those conjunctions, and add commas if needed.